Hello everybody and welcome to Amazing Cars Switzerland. Today is a rather special day because I'm in a small village just next to where I live, and once a year they have this huge car meet here. Basically it's organized by Aston Martin, but fairly amount of other cars show up here as well. There's literally no one here, they're all eating, and now I have time to show you all the cars on this car park. Also, AmazingCarsSwitzerland.com just got online, my brand new website. Check it out, I post quite a bit of the videos and everything I do over there, so check that out, the link is in the description. We're going to start off, and believe me, it's going to be unreal. You ready? Boom! Alright, we're going to start off with this last row here first. Just a few SUVs, SVR 550 horsepower over here. Audi SQ7, the one I drove. Then we have some Skittles here, Huracan Spider in beautiful green. Then we have a Gallardo Performante here and another Performante next to each other, looking super sick. Alright, we're now starting off with the second row of the car park, and this row already is absolutely incredible. Vanquish Volant there, Corvette, then we have a Huracan over here, AMG GTS, boom, F12 TDF, number plate, St. Gallen 1, which was the most expensive number plate in Switzerland. This number plate over here is worth 145,000 Swiss francs, which is around 130,000 euros, which is absolutely incredible. Also, the value of the car around 400,000 to 500,000 if you bought them from Ferrari. Now these cars are selling for over 1 million, which means that they're keeping their value pretty good. Alright, after this beautiful TDF we have a 599 GTB, then we have a 488 Spider, 458 Spider, also two generations over here looking super nice. Then we have another 599 GTB, beautiful DBS Volant, and now we have the all new Vanquish Zagato over here. The Vanquish Zagato, they built 99 coupes and 99 roadsters. So we basically have two of the 99 coupes over here today. Just take a look at the rear lights. They're super special built, looking rather good. Third row we have a V12 Vantage S with a beautiful bonnet here with the carbon intakes. Then we have the other Zagato Vanquish here. Look at this carbon splitter, full carbon splitter in the front. Also very low number plate. Alright, here we have a silver Vanquish. Then we have a DBS Volante. Here we have another Vantage. Then we have a DBS as well, another DBS Volante. Beautiful Aventador. Carbon mirrors here, and of course ADV1 rims. Here's a 488 Spider. Then we have a white Aston Martin Vanquish with some carbon parts as well, looking rather nice, and another Vanquish in brown. So as you can tell, this is quite the Aston Martin row over here. Then we have a casual Rolls-Royce Brave here, old school Shelby GT350 and a Morgan Aero. Crazy design by Morgan. Here we have, it seems like Turbo S convertible. Next to the Porsche we have this beautiful Jaguar, very British, very old school. Look at these rims, so nice. And also the interior, red leather. Just simple but beautiful with its sort of Nardo grey color. Alright, the madness keeps going. Inside here we have a 1 of 100 Aston Martin GT12 with its 5.9 liter V12. We have 600 horsepower. And very casual, as you do, we have an Aventador SV Roadster in front of the restaurant, just to welcome everyone arriving. Alright, that is basically it with this huge event, as you can tell. By Aston Martin, so many cars out here. Just wanted to show you these very few but very special cars out here today. Make sure to check out my website, amazingcarswitzerland.com. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, and with this beautiful sunny day here today. See you soon, guys.